Hi, my name is Andrew Galligan, and I'm here to teach you how to stop fat. No more waiting, it's time to fast track weight loss. Come on, skip useless tape measurements. Don't track abstract numbers like BMI, and focus on the fact you want to look differently and feel differently. Get ready to change your mind about fat loss forever. I'll show you the easiest way, which makes it the best way. I've personally lost over 50 pounds using the concepts and methods I'm going to show you. This will be the last time you try to lose weight, because this time you'll understand how. I'll show you the methods used by professional athletes and trainers, and help you to leverage yourself to be your tool instead of your obstacle. I'm going to teach you to use brain power and outsmart fat instead of willing it away. By using the habit techniques I teach, this will be the fat loss course that leaves you ready with a plan. This course, of course, is risk-free, and it can change your life. For me, losing fat comes second to nothing. You'll be treated differently, and you'll see yourself in a brand new light. With over 3 years of nutritional and physical training, I hope you take this course and take this step forward in your fat loss journey.